Hello, everyone. Welcome to New Tech. I am with another quick tutorial. How to fix Discord not opening on Windows 10. Now, let's start. First of all, go to Desktop. Then, move your cursor to the bottom left corner of the screen. And, right-click on the Windows logo. From the menu, click on Task Manager. Next, go to the Details tab. Here, look for any running processes named Discord. Once you find, select each of them, and click on End Task. After that, confirm by clicking End Process. Now, open your browser, and download the file, ffmpeg.dll, from a trusted source. Once it's downloaded, right-click on the file, and select Copy. Then, back to your Discord. Right-click on it, and choose Open File Location. Next, navigate to the actual version. Here, right-click on any empty space. And, choose Paste, to copy the file into the folder. Now, close the window, and check your Discord application. Great! It's working. Okay. That's it for today. I will see you in the next tutorial, with amazing and interesting topics. And, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel.